So, pag-aaralan, so, kayo din dalawa kapag-discuss, no? Yung branches of science. Baka kumakain ako. So, pag sinabi natin science, okay, it is a systematized body of knowledge based on facts and pieces of evidences through experimentation and observation. So, meron mga facts, maibidensya, no? Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na kapag meron ka nakasalubong na pusang itim, mamalasin ka, no? Anong fact? So, it is not a science. We call it superstitious belief. No, dapat merong experiment na naging kinandak to prove that our hypothesis is correct. Okay? So, meron tayong science na pure science, no? And applied science. When we say pure science, it is the systematic study of natural na or physical phenomena, no? Lindol, di ba? Lindol, volcanic eruption, natural yun, no? Hindi gawa ng tao, kundi nature, okay? Mga phenomena, kidlat, no? Kulog, volcanic eruption, di ba? Yun. Then when we say applied, from the word itself, applied. It is the branch of practical use of scientific knowledge. Ginamit na natin siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung knowledge natin from pure science, in-apply natin. Halimbawa, gagawa ka ng robot or gagawa ka ng makina, di ba? Yun yung applied science. So, in-apply mo na. Okay? Then, meron tayong subdivisions of science. We have the physical science, earth sciences, and life sciences. So, let us enumerate and discuss it by one by one. Number, pag sa physical science, it refers to the study about non-living matter. Walang buhay. Physical science. Okay? Chemistry, physics, right? Yung energy. Yung mga oxygen, hydrogen, yon. We call it physical science. Yung, what do you call that? Periodic table. Gagamitin natin yung periodic table na yan, no? Pang grade 9 kasi yan. Chemistry, it is the study of composition, structure, forms, and properties of matter. Pag physics naman, it deals with the study of matter and energy. Mga heat energy, mga nuclear energy, geothermal energy, kinetic potential, okay? Okay, earth sciences. So when we say earth sciences, it deals with the scientific study of the earth itself. Okay? Paleontology. Yung paleontology, ito naman yung mga fossils, no? Yung mga na-discover ng mga scientists natin na meron talaga ng mga dinosaurs na nabuhay long time ago. Seismology, the study of earthquake, no? Geology, the physical structure of the earth, di ba? Yung mga parts ng earth, we have the core, mantle, inner core, crust, yon. Meteorology, it's all about weather, no? Meteorites, meteoroids. Pinag-aaralan mga bulalakaw, no? In astronomy, of course, about planets, stars, suns, di ba, clouds, okay? Geology, nabanggit ko na yan. Paleontology, we have the meteorology, mga weather and climate, di ba? And then, nawala siya. What happened? Yan, lecture. Dito ako nakatingin eh. So, nawala siya. Asan ako? So, branches of science. Okay. Dito na tayo sa seismology. We have the earthquake, di ba? Astronomy, the celestial body of phenomena that originates outside the earth atmosphere. Basta labas na ng earth. Okay? We call it astronomy. Iba yung astronomer tsaka astrologer. Yung astrologer, ito yung mga nag-aaral ng mga stars, di ba? Yung unang hirit tsaka umagang kaganda, yung mga pampaswerte. Magkaiba yun, ha? Yung mga maswerteng araw, maswerteng buwan, maswerteng oras, maswerteng damit. Magkaiba yun. Life sciences. When we say life sciences, may buhay. Di ba? Kaya na kasi pure science, walang buhay. Ito life sciences. So we have the zoology, study of animals. ecology, ecosystem, botany, plants, biology, study of life, genetics. Okay? Alam natin yan. Lahat na may buhay. Bio. From the word bio means bio, life. Logy, from the word logos, study, means study. So, study of life. Kaya nga yung bio, antibiotic. Diba? Antibiotic. Anti-negative. Biotic, bio. May buhay. Kaya pag merong nagtitake tayo ng gamot, pinapatay yung living things na virus or bacteria sa loob ng ating katawan. Kaya antibiotic. Okay? We have botany, study of plants, zoology, animals. Nakikita natin yan. Ecology, no? Study about the relationship of living organism with each other and their interaction with their surroundings. So, ecology, diba? Relationship ng trees sa mga birds, diba? Yun. Genetics, of course, it is study of the genetic makeup of the living organism. So, ito naman yung mga DNA, para malaman kung totoong tatay, kung totoong nanay, di ba? Yun. So, that's it. Laging tandaan na mas may napaganda ng bukasan habang nasa kasalukuyan. Alab, liyab sa club. Paalam.